Okay, now put it back in the water.
Yeah, you gotta keep it in the water. You gotta hold it, steady.
Careful. Oh, sharp, right?
Sharp
Keep that on
hooks.
there. Keep that on there, because that's what the fish think is food. The fish thinks that's food, so leave it there. Okay, let go.
And then do it on that way.
Yep, there you go. Good cast. Careful. Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa, no,
Hey,
no,
easy,
no,
easy.
no, you don't
Stop
swing it
that.
around. You don't swing it around, honey, because of the hook, okay?
Just gonna drop it in, nice and easy. Henry, okay.
Well, I think the fish is really gone. I think the fish.
Why don't you put some corn in there? Uh-oh. I think you almost got another one.
Okay, don't just listen, man. Here, listen. Okay, no, don't you eat the corn. Oh my god.
Woo! Henry, did Mommy get another one? Do you want to come take it on?
Yeah, Mama did.
Okay, be careful when you grab it.
Whoa, whoa, don't you grab it, see? Don't you grab it. Let me grab it and then I'll take it off the hook. I'll give it to you. Look at you! Oh, don't put it on the dock! No, now it's scared. Put it in the water where he lives.
Yeah, I want to catch it again.
All right, we'll try.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Hey, Grandpa.
I
I see you got a drink going up there.
Yeah, I want the
There's a dearth
corn.
of drinks.
Good, that's what I want. Are you out of yours?
Yeah, I gotta
Yeah,
go.
you stopped at the liquor store.